Hi guys, this is Ashwin. In this video we are going to see about modules in Python. We have wide variety of Python modules for machine learning and image processing and for solving so many problems. So basically a module just contains a set of functions. So if you want to use a square root function from math module means we will import math here. Import math. So math is a module. From that math module, I am going to use square root function. So that is math dot the function name, that will be sqrt, the short form of square root. Okay, let's pass the value, that is 64. Now run it. See, it takes the square root of 64. Like that we can use so many functions from different modules. If you want to import a specific function from the math module, we can use from math import sqrt. So this will import a specific function from the math module. We need to use this type of function to save memory. Because we are going to use only specific functions, it is better than importing all the functions. So it will definitely save some memory because we are not going to import all the functions from the math module. Okay, let's run it. So if you imported the function means we can directly call the function sqrt of 4. Now it returns the result. So like this we can import a specific function. If you want to import all the functions means just use the same syntax, but instead of a specific function name, use asterisk symbol. So asterisk symbol means it will import all the functions, so you can directly access the function using the name itself instead of typing the module name and the function name. So this will import all the modules. Let's run it. I will use power function, power 2 power 3. 2 is the base and 3 is the exponent, and now we run the function. Well, it returns the result. 2 power 3 is 8. But for most of the cases I recommend using this, importing a specific functions, because in standard programming you need to save some memory. That's why we need to import the specific function we are going to use. Like that we can import any modules in Python. Well, if you want to list a number of function that is present in a particular module, let's leave some space and to list all functions in module. Now I am going to list the function in math module, that is there of math. Let's run it. Now these are the functions that are available in math module. So doc is for documentation and the name is for package, and these are the functions: ceil, cos, exponent, factorial, log, log base 10, tan, sine, power. Every function is listed here, square root. Like that we can see what are the functions that are available in the module. So if you need some help on a particular module, need help on particular module, type help and the name of the module, that will be math. Run it. Now it displays all the function with a detailed explanation. So it will just returning the documentation of the math module. So it has all the functions with the arguments and what it will return. Like that it explains everything. So that's it for modules. If this video is helpful to you, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel for future videos. Stay tuned for the next video.